got to pull this exhaust manifold off. I'm sure that's going to be a chore. Houston, we have a problem. Yeah. That's more money. Dang, I hate seeing that. Alright, so here's where we stand. I had hoped that we would pull the exhaust / intake manifold off and find that it was a hole in the muffler, which would have been a lot more logical, but in this case it's not what we got. We pulled it off of there, found that the manifold's got a couple of holes in it. It's too thin to patch. That's just wasting time, wasting money. So thanks to Amazon, got some more parts on the way. It's going to be a lot of affiliate links on this one. The thing to remember about that, yes, we do get a small commission off of that. It's not a lot, but it helps us to afford kind of to take the time to out of what we're doing to be able to shoot these videos. Like this tractor, this project here, my labor was done by the hour, and I had to very meticulously watch how much time I spent as far as with the camera, that sort of thing, because I don't want the customer to feel like, oh, he's just screwing around messing with the camera the whole time and he's not actually working on the tractor and I'm getting billed for it. It's none of that. I sharpened the pencil real sharp on the labor on this. There's a lot more labor on this one, considering that I had the camera action going on in there. And I just want to treat my customer fair on it. At the end of the day, if he's good with the price that I'm charging and I'm good with it, then that's a level playing field. That's a win right there for both of us. Sadly, I had hoped that we would get away on this project without needing as many parts. I was hoping some things would work out, but stuff like, I told him I'd try the alternator. Hopefully the alternator would be good. It wasn't, that added to it. It's a handful of things, Ain't that a sweet sound? I'm so glad to hear that. That is absolutely lovely. We're going to take a quick clip of the phone, send it over to Donald, but I'll take it. Alright, so that'll pretty well wind up just about everything. A little cleanup, a little delivery. Pretty excited about that. Listen to that, baby.